Hi friends, very good morning everyone. Before we go ahead, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. Check the notification on coming video. Also, I like to inform you guys that we have a complete YouTube channel to complete course certification interview question related to PySpark, and this is the PySpark certification and interview question part 5. Welcome to guys. And prerequisite for watch my previous video to playlist from Seva Institute YouTube channel. In this session we have the cover PySpark operation. Py, PySpark operation basically two types of the operation. First is transformation and second is actions. And I have explained and with example of live demo what is transformation and what is action, what are the function action and transformation. PySpark operation transformation basically return new RDD every time and action return the value. Transformation create a new RDD without updating existing one. Transformation are kind of operation which will transform your RDD data from one form to another. And when you apply the operation of any RDD, you will get new RDD with transformed data. RDD are immutable. Operation like map, filter, flat map are the transformation all return a new RDD instead of updating existing one. There is a point to be noted here, that is when you apply the transformation on any RDD, it will not perform the operation immediately. It will execute a directed acyclic graph. I, am, I have already explained what is DAG in my previous video. Please watch and understand the DAG, how to work. Using the apply operation source RDD, then function use the transformation and it will keep a building the graph using the reference till you apply any action operation. This way you can say that transformation in Spark are lazy. Then lazy evaluation also I will explain in my previous video what is the lazy evaluation and how to work that. There are two type of the operation of the transformation. One is narrow transformation, another is wide transformation. Narrow transformation will not be any data movements between the partition and execute narrow transformation, such as map, filter and union for the narrow transformation. You can also look the pick for the no data movement. That's. And second is wide transformation. Wide transformation, another name you can the shuffling transformation, will be data movements between partition and execute wide transformation. Such type operation group by, reduce by, join, repartition and aggregates are the wide transformation. It is the shuffling of the your data. And some transformation we have journal, we have the map, filter, plot map, map partition, group by sort, simple, union. I will explain in demo what are these part of the one by one, and also the use the key value pairs, group by key, reduce by key, fold by key, sort by key. There is some transformation function. It is part of the PySpark RTD. Next is the action. Action basically return the value. Action are RDD operation that give RDD value. The value of the action is stored in the drive that to external storage system. They are a part of the collect and count, first, take and top, the part of the action. We have reduce, collect, fold, first, take, for each, top, min, max, sum. There are these action of the PySpark. Let's go to demo parts in Google Colab. I will explain to some part of the Python and PySpark. Both are the compare and how can apply to Python, how can be apply PySpark. I have that say. First, if you run the PySpark code in Google Colab, then first you can execute the pip install PySpark. It is around 20 seconds we have the run, then execute all the dependency and library and create environment. That's it. Then we have the create a PySpark session and call to Spark context. Spark session and Spark context. I have the previous video will be explain what is the Spark session, what is the Spark contents. That's in my previous video you can find that. And I have created data Arun, Kavya, Seva and Tejas. We have the employee ID, name, gender and salary. And then we have the call to Python to create data frame. Data frame is the immutable, that means don't have the deep copy. You have reused them multiple times, and every operation new data frame will be created and original will be stay unmodified. It is data frame. And then we have the execute, then give the output employee ID, employee name, gender and salary. It is data frame. It is written such type of the table format, row and column. And same you can the run the through the PySpark df spark dot create data frame. You call the data and column name and put the show. Then we have the return the. And then we have the need to, if you need to return the column only column name, then data frame dot column you give the only columns name in data frame. And some operation some PySpark transformation. I have created a dictionary. Dictionary is nothing but key value pairs. Key is not duplicate, value is can be duplicates. It represent pair by the curly braces and key value separate the comma. And print schema is the show the schema of the what of the string type of the name and properties key value. Then name and property is the return for the directory form. I have applied map function in transformation. Return map function basically return to new RDD, apply the form each elements. It is one to one relationship, such type of that map function. And then we apply the map function, then we have the use for the output of this. And next up the filter function basically used for the new RDD, returning only the element of the satisfy search filter. It You can apply the search operation, search filter in the data frame. I have written code, the Python code. Only if you need to only return to greater than salary 3000. In Python df is data frame of the Python. Then dot salary greater than 3000 dot head, put the 3, then only 3 rows we have the return. That's it. If same we have apply the through the PySpark code also, it is the you can write the operation df dot filter and df salary greater than 3000, so return get only the 3 row can be applied. That's it. greater than greater than the 3000s, 5000, 7000, 8000, only 3 rows. That's it. Next operation is the union. Union basically used for the merge of the two data frames. The same structure, it is condition of the data frame, the same structure and schema. If schema is not same, then return error. I have created two data frame. My list and print schema and show the employee ID, name and gender, salary. And merge two data frame, it is syntax of the union df1 dot union df2. You can merge, then we have the show the output. Right. And next operation is reduce by the transformation use the merge of the value of each using the associated reduce function in PySpark RDD. It is wide transformation of the supplying data in multiple partition in the operation of the pair RDD key value pairs. Reduce by we have the created data that's a Arun, Kavya. It is multiple time we have the repeated data. If we apply the reduce by key function, then a comma b, then a plus b, and then for each element we have the collect the data. That's it. Then you can see the output Kavya is 4 times. Then you can write the Kavya 1, 2, 3 and 4. It is same we have the Seva and Arun and Tejas. Group by we have the same, they have the it is max for max suppling, but reduced by is the min suppling. And then PySpark join operation. Join operation basically used for multiple join, be inner join, left join, right join, full outer join, multiple join there. That's it. I have the explain in the what are the join you have that using PySpark. Through the PySpark I have created two data frame. First is employee and other is department. Employee we have the employee ID, name, employee ID, year of join, department, gender and salary, department name and department ID. There is two columns in department. And you can see the schema of the employee and schema of the department data frame. And then first apply the inner join. Inner join basically used for the matching of the both data frame return data. That's it. If we apply the employee and department, then we have the match data, we have the return. That's you can see that employee department 40, 20, 10. 10 is 3 times and 20 and 41 times. You can also that 10, 1, 2, 3 and 20 and 40. But 50 is not matched. That's it. Yeah, 50 is not matched in department, then not return. That's okay. Full outer join, basically full outer join, don't confuse guys. full, it is multiple way can you can use outer full and full outer join. It is same, we have the return the uh, give the return result. That's if you interview ask what is the outer, what is full outer join, it is same. That's it. You can apply here and give the result same. And next is the left outer join. Left outer join return the all row from the left data sets regard the match found of the right data set. When join expression does not match, it assign to null value for the record of drop the record from the right where the match not found. Basically, left outer join is match to left and right data frame. If you not match right, then we have to put the null value. If you can see that department 50 is not matched to data frame, then we have to put the null value also. That's it. And right join basically opposite of the left join, but that return the rows from the right data set regarding the match found left data set. When join expression does not match, then we have to put up the null value. You can write syntax that say employee def join department join the department id imp df department id def department id right, and right outer. Basically two types of the you can put up the operation. That's it. And also that we have the return the null value here. That's it. Same, not match value. That's it. And next is the left semi join. Left semi join is similar to inner join. Difference between left semi join return the column of the left data sets, ignore all column from the right data sets. You can operation same that you put up the left semi operation, then we have the you can look the data. That's it. Give the outputs. And left anti join basically used for the does not exist operation of the left semi join. Left join return only column from the left data set, not match record. It is only such type of the operation both data frame check that if you not match only show the not match record. You can say there the Sanjay 2 and 2050 is not matching the both. That's it. Return. Okay, next we have the Spark operation. Some operation we have the data and column. You same apply that. If you create a list and column, then show the data this format data frame. And we have the apply the collect operation. Collector return the complete data set of the array, and then we have the data and action RDD we have the create for the action data nothing action RDD data frame such that data frame dot collect. You need to output then print the data, then show the data of the whole. That's it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. You can say data 1 2 3 and 4. And count return the count element of the data set. You can, if you need to count how many rows available in data frame, then 1 2 3 4, then you can operation of the count. You can apply the count and only the give the 4 rows. You can here the 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 rows. Okay, first return the first element of the data set. You first time we have the need to return the first element of the your data frame, then apply the first operation. First one Arun and male. You can the first row as the data frame Arun Yam and 3000. Then take return the first number of element in data set. You can apply the take operation also. That's it. You can put up the top, return the top n elements, return the top 3, top 4, top 5, then put up the value data frame dot top, and we'll put up the 3 4 5. You can put up here. That's it. and output. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Let's go to presentation part. Thank you guys.